Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, April 10, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am doing well, thank you. How are you?
I am okay, but I am very tired. The traffic was terrible this morning.
I know. There are too many cars on the road right now.
Yes, it took me 1 hour to get to the office. I hate driving in the city.
That is a long time. I take the train, so it is easier for me.
I need a large coffee today, a very strong coffee.
Are you busy with your sales reports?
Yes, I have 3 big meetings later. The clients are very demanding.
I understand. I have a long meeting with the IT team at 10.
Meetings are always very long. Do you want some sugar?
Just 1 packet, please. I am trying to eat less sugar.
Good idea. I drink my coffee black. It wakes me up fast.
You always have a lot of energy. It is good for your job.
Energy is my best tool. But today I feel a little slow.
Maybe you need a short break. The office is very quiet right now.
Yes, it is. Everyone is looking at their computers.
The new printer is broken again. People are frustrated.
Not again. That machine is always broken. I need to print documents.
We need to buy a new printer. I will tell the boss later.
Please do. I need to print 50 pages for my afternoon meeting.
I will send an email to the office manager right after this coffee.
Thank you, Alex. You are a great project manager.
I just like to keep things organized. It makes work easier.
Did you see the news about the solar eclipse on April 8?
Yes, I did. Millions of people in 3 countries watched the sky.
It is amazing. Mexico, the US, and Canada had a great view.
I read that it brings people together. It is a beautiful shared experience.
I just think about the business side. Hotels made a lot of money.
And that is true. Many small towns had thousands of visitors.
I saw a hotel room for $500 a night. That is crazy.
People pay a lot for unique moments. It is human nature.
Did you wear the special glasses to look at the sun?
Yes, I bought 2 pairs of glasses. Safety is very important for your eyes.
I forgot to buy them. I watched it on the television in the break room.
You missed the real atmosphere. The dark sky is very special.
I heard the birds stop singing. Is that true?
Yes, the animals think it is nighttime. It is very interesting.
The temperature also dropped. It was suddenly very cold.
Yes, nature reacts to the eclipse. It is a powerful event.
Maybe next time I will go outside. I think the next big eclipse is in 2044.
We have a lot of time to plan a trip then.
Exactly. I will book a cheap hotel 10 years in advance.
That is very practical of you. Always thinking ahead.
Of course, saving money is important. Everything is very expensive now.
Yes, the cost of living is very high in this city.
Speaking of money, did you read the economic news?
Are you talking about the new government plan?
Yes. They want to cancel student loan debt for 30 million Americans.
That is a very big number. It changes many lives.
It is good for the economy. People have more money to buy things.
Yes, young workers can finally buy homes or start families.
And they can buy more of our products. That is good for my sales.
You always connect the news to your sales numbers, David.
That is my job, Alex. But seriously, university is too expensive now.
I agree. Education costs are a big structural problem in society.
I know people with $50,000 in student debt. It is terrible.
This plan helps them start over. It is a relief for many families.
Young people work 2 jobs just to pay for food and rent.
It is not easy for them. The housing market is very difficult.
But some people are angry. They say the plan is not fair.
Public policies are always complicated. You cannot please everyone.
Some people paid their debt and want their money back.
I understand their frustration, but society needs to move forward.
True. I am just happy I finished paying my loans 5 years ago.
Me too. It is a good feeling to be debt-free.
Very good. Now I only have my car loan and my house mortgage.
That is normal adult life. We all have bills to pay.
Yes, we do. That is why we work hard every day.
And drink a lot of coffee. My cup is almost empty.
Do you want another cup? The machine is full.
No, thank you. 1 cup is enough for me today.
I think I need a second cup. My brain is still asleep.
Maybe you need to play a game to wake up your brain.
A game? I do not have time for games at work.
I mean on your phone. Apple changed its App Store rules.
Really? What did they change? I have an iPhone 15.
They now allow retro video game emulators on the App Store.
That is great news. I love old video games.
I know you do. You talk about old games all the time?
I can finally play my favorite games from the 90s on my phone.
Yes, it opens a whole new market for classic gaming apps.
Apple usually has very strict rules. Why did they change them?
They are facing pressure from new laws and competitors.
That makes sense. Competition is always good for the customer.
Exactly. It changes the digital landscape for developers too.
I am going to download an emulator right now.
Do not play games during your sales meetings. David,
I promise I will not, but maybe during my lunch break.
are you eating lunch in the office today?
Yes, I brought a sandwich from home. What about you?
I am going to the salad restaurant across the street.
That sounds healthy, but I prefer my sandwich.
It is good to relax. Nostalgia is very popular right now.
Yes, playing games from 1995 makes me feel young again.
Technology moves fast, but we always look back at the past.
Very true. My old games are simple and fun, no internet needed.
Modern technology is complex. Sometimes simple is better.
I completely agree. Well, my second coffee is finished.
My break is over too. I need to prepare for my IT meeting.
Good luck with your meeting. I hope it is not too boring.
Thank you. Good luck with your demanding clients today.
I will need it. I hope I can close 2 big deals today.
I am sure you will. You are a great sales representative.
Thanks, Alex. Have a good day.
See you later, David.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.